It looks big. Oh my God. Oh! Drop it down, he might eat it again. Oh my God, it was a huge brown. He's back, he's back. Hold on, just hold on, stop reeling. I'll get the net, I'll get the net. Oh my God, I can't believe he ate it again. I can't believe he ate it again. Good morning.
Good morning.
We went to a drive-in movie last night and camped in the back, I guess slept in the back of the truck.
The air mattress was inflated.
Bought a truck, by the way. YouTube doesn't know I bought a truck.
Oh.
This is the new baby. 2015 Tacoma.
With a 6-foot.
With a 6-foot bed. Check out this place. Really cool little park. And to access the stream, we gotta go through the bridge. Look at Rachel's cute little waders. We need to get you a belt.
Oh, I think there is a belt. I just left it in the truck.
Oh. Alright. Ooh, it echoes in here. I love these limestone little fishing streams. Whoa. Jeez, look at this spot.
I want to say it's close.
Oh, look at this deep pool over here. See those eddies? Just cast it, kind of let her drift in there. I love how when we whisper when we're trout fishing. This is like a remarkable pool right here.
If we don't pull a fish out of here.
There should be a giant in here. Finally got one, and it's a sucker! Are you kidding me?
I'd rather catch nothing.
I would have rather gotten... Oh. Well, he fought hard. I thought he was a nice brown trout, so that was kind of cool, I guess. Big old sucker face. Do you want to kiss him?
No, thanks.
Me either. Well, for as cool as this spot is, there are a 0 trout here. Probably because there's this beaten path of people fishing it. But we'll find them. I think this stream gets stocked pretty good. I got a nibble. It's a... Oh, it was a trout. Alright, trout exist. I saw it. No. That was little though. I might have to just cover some water with the spinner. Oh. That's a trout. Looks like he pooped like right on the hook set. One just hit the spinner. Decent one. Yeah. Oh, he's bleeding.
You did fall.
You know what? I'll keep this one. I did fall in the stream. I'm gonna keep him.
You fell in the mud. I fell in the stream.
I didn't even fall. I just got engulfed by the stream. It straight up ate me.
Good heard you wanted to get out.
It is beautiful, but we got our butts kicked on the trout.
The banks of
And we fell a few times. But in trout fishing, there's always a next bend and a next stream to try. So that is where we go. Back to the tunnel.
Back to the Tacoma.
Alright, scoping out a new spot. Not bringing the net. That's usually bad luck. New stream. Nice brown. Oh, I should have brought the net. Got a new magnetic net. Would have been awesome for this. Wow. Good brown. I'm gonna go back and get the net.
You caught that?
Catch another one in there. I know. I'm just gonna go put him in the... We're gonna keep one to go with the other one. I'm gonna go put him in the cooler. Nice fish right at the bridge. Catch another one, hey? You, my friend, are going to be a dinner trout. There. Nice meal for put on the smoker later. For the next one, I'll use this net. Odds Pro sent me this to review for free, and man, I have to tell you, it is an awesome little net. Rubberized part makes sure that your hook doesn't get stuck. It's nice wood, looks good, floats. But I really like this magnetic clip. I put this on my back so it's hanging there when I need it. You got one? What was it? You caught a chub on the chub. Oh my gosh, I gotta come see this. That is crazy. That is a massive chub. Bit the head of another chub. There's chubs in here, so instead of using worms, that would just get torn up using a piece of chubber. It's a nice pool here. You caught that chub right in there?
Under this tree.
Wow.
The cannibal chub.
Did you cast in here yet? That's where my brown came out of.
That's where there was a fish that jumped. Oh.
Wow. Very kind of you. You obviously have fished with me enough times to know that you don't walk through a good run to get a snag. Oh, little guy darted out from above this rock. All right, you're good. Looks like some beaver activity up here. I can make for some... Oh, what the heck?
Will the beaver like my half chub?
Did you just say, will the beaver like my half chub? Did you say that on purpose?
Of course.
I'm gonna change your split shots riding way up. Will beaver like my half chub? Unbelievable. Whoa! These beavers are using corn stalks to dam up a river. That's some Midwestern beavers right here. Midwestern beavers doing Midwestern things. That is an impressive dam. Wow.
That is.
This is like pretty deep in there. All right, soak your chub in that shadow. Soak your chub. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's like a beaver palace right here. This is insane. It's almost too deep for fishing. I don't know if there's enough current here for them.
Would they get mad if we were here? Crash popping their dam?
No, I don't know where they're...
Whoa!
Oh my gosh, that got me so jacked up, but it's not a fish.
It's what?
It's probably a beaver stay.
Oh, damn. You were like...
That was big. It looks big. Oh my god. Oh! Drop it down, he might eat it again. Oh my god, it was a huge brown. He's back, he's back. Hold on, just hold on, stop reeling. I'll get the net. I'll get the net. Oh my god, I can't believe he ate it again. I can't believe he ate it again. Oh my god, you're good, babe. Oh, try to lift point the rod out so it's out of the brush. You're good. Oh, it's a giant. It's a stud, hun. Okay, you're good.
Okay.
Just let the rod do the work. Keep tension. Oh, it popped off and I got him! I got him! Yes!
The net.
Oh my gosh. And I went back and I grabbed the net for a reason.
Yeah,
and that is the reason.
Big.
Babe, that's a giant.
You need help?
I can't believe he ate it again.
I was so shocked that he
Oh my gosh.
What?
Are you kidding me? See, that's why you fish beaver dam areas. Hold on to that.
Oh, it's connected to you.
Yeah, easy. Oh my goodness.
The net got on that. It fell into your net.
Oh my gosh. So you hooked him right away. You're pulling him in. I saw it pop out his mouth, but he like swam at it like he wanted it again. And then you just dropped it back down and he thumped it again. Unbelievable. Nice. Nice fish.
Ooh.
Awesome fish. That was so cool. Biggest
Thanks
one ever for you?
Oh yeah. Thanks for the net job.
Thanks to Odds Pro for sending me this net. Seriously, that's an awesome. Yeah, it's very slick, and then I can just put it right back there, and it clips back on. Awesome.
Wow.
Let's smoke this one.
That's a big boy.
When you're fishing hot weather like this, they don't release the best, so it's a good excuse to take a few home for the smoker. Hold that.
Oh, I thought I was gonna give it a high five.
Actually, I do have a little tape measure somewhere.
You can measure them when we get home. Oh, that's a big.
I need to catch you another chub now.
He's still on there.
Is he really?
Yeah.
Almost 7. 16 and a half. Well, pinch the tail. You could go 17. He's 17 inches.
Couldn't do it without
nice
you.
Trout. Very nice trout. I cannot believe that thing hit again.
Right away.
That's mind blowing. Yeah, it's like he dropped it, and you fought him for a while, but I guess that's why you use live bait. He never would have done that on a spinner. All right, put that in there.
Thanks for the net.
Nice catch, honey. Another one. Same spot.
Ooh.
Pretty good one also. I'm just gonna hoist them.
Nice. Oh, that is a nice one.
Wow. Barely hooked. That one, I fought really, really quick. I'm gonna let that fish go. Nice trout. Probably a 13, 14 incher. You have the most graceful falls I've ever seen. Want to use the net? Grab it. He's barely hooked.
Hopefully I can, oh gosh. Oh, he's lovely.
Thank you.
That's a nice one.
Yeah. Oops. Well, there now, if he gets off, it's totally fine.
What's the brand of that net?
Odds Pro.
Thanks, Odds Pro. Nope.
Fish? Good brown. Right there.
Get the Odds Pro net.
Wow.
Ooh, that one's pretty.
I think we're gonna need another chub. Nice fish.
Thank you. Oh yeah, he wanted the chub on that one.
Shoot, and I didn't bring any more worms. What do you want to do with them?
We'll let him grow.
Let him go, let him grow. Alright. Nice fish. Here, I'm gonna put that back on. I'm gonna put a smaller spinner on in hopes that it catches a chub.
Okay.
Because the chub is the hot bait. Wanted a chub, caught a little brook.
Nice.
That's sweet. I don't really want to catch brook trout. I want to catch a chub so you can toss it in there. She's back in action on the chub. Oh gosh.
Sorry.
It's alright. Yeah, we'll just keep that one. Right under there. Skinny water. Undercut banks in the sun here. Here, you can take them off. You can put them in my backpack. A nice fish.
I said we'd keep the next one.
Big spots on that one. Wow. Nice job.
Thank you.
All right, we fished that stretch. A ways up. My pro tip is leave your waders and stuff at the road so you don't have to walk back in sweating waders. So I'm the smart one on this decision. Although my feet right now are getting wrecked by gravel. Caught a few more. Kept a total of 4 today. That's a nice little meal. Rachel caught the giant.
I think I might have outfished you.
Valid. Valid, you definitely caught some big ones. And a chub. Woo. Oh, Rachel, listen.